Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for being here. I'm really excited to be bringing out this video and I hope that you guys are as well. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Jumping right into this video, the first thing that I wanted to do was replace the curtains that I had here in my kitchen with these bamboo blinds. I, for some reason, thought that these types of blinds were out of my price range, but Amazon had a really good deal on them, so I purchased two. And I believe for both of them, I paid like $150, which I actually thought was a good deal because I had been looking into them for a while now and they were all just really expensive. And these are the ones that don't require any type of drilling or tools. All you have to do is tighten the sides there and they stay up. It took me about maybe 10 to 15 minutes to put them both up. So they were really easy to install. If you guys are interested, I'll make sure to have them linked down below. I also forgot to mention they're not blackout blinds, but they do give enough privacy in my opinion. But I'm going to go ahead and move on to this side here where I had the TV. You guys know that I'm crazy that way, that I like to rearrange stuff around. I ended up moving the TV to the other side, which you'll see. And I'm going to add this vase that I'll later switch out for another one. And then these stems that are from, I think At Home, I got them, I don't know, maybe like 2 years ago. I'm going to add that to that little corner. And then I'm also going to be adding my favorite cutting board. It's from Crate and Barrel. And at this point, I want to say I've had it for 7 years now. But if you do own anything like this, you know how heavy they can get. So I wanted to place it somewhere where it was going to be easy for me to just use it. I did end up purchasing these little things here that I don't know what they're called. I'm drawing a blank, but they're meant for your appliances, like your mixers. That way you can like move it easily and it works perfectly for these types of boards. So halfway through decorating, my Walmart order came in. So I just wanted to show you guys what I got. All right, so this is pretty much everything that I ordered. I went ahead and got some queso fresco with some crema mexicana because I'm going to be making Mexican spaghetti. I needed aluminum foil. Then we have some Arizona green tea here. I actually really love this. Also got these cups here for my coffee. I know everybody uses like really cute ones, but honestly, I don't need anything fancy. Of course, I have to have my half and half and my creamer. Got some Sprite, some cucumbers. I got some cookies. Those are for the cafecito in the morning. I got some chips for the kids, some lettuce. I got some breadcrumbs. And then I got some celery because we started juicing again. And oh yeah, I forgot about this. This is my cilantro. And then I got some cherry tomatoes, which came open. So yeah, that's pretty much it though. I almost forgot. I also got some milanesa for later this week. So I quickly wanted to show you guys how I store my cilantro. I get a glass cup with some water, then wash the cilantro and then put it in there. And it does last a lot longer. And once I do that, I'm just going to go ahead and put the rest of the groceries away.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change.
So I have no idea what happened to the rest of the clips of me decorating this spot here. The only thing that I show you guys is me moving the TV here and that's it. But I do end up adding a vase and then some stems that are from Michael's along with, I think, a board. And that's pretty much it for this spot. I am debating, I will admit, moving the TV back to the other side because I think I like it better over there. But for now, I'm going to leave it there.
Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see, if we get in a car.
All right, so I'm not much of a cook, but I've been married for 13 years. I must be doing something right. I am going to share with you guys what I made for dinner this day. It's called Mexican spaghetti, and I did get the recipe off of TikTok. I'll make sure to link that video for you guys because I really don't go into detail on how to make it, but I also want to give that girl credit. So I'll go ahead and link it for you guys. I can easily call my mom and ask her how to make certain meals, but the problem that I have with her, I don't know if it's just like the Hispanic culture, but whenever I ask her for like measurements on something, she's like, "Tú nomás tanteale," which in English means just eyeball it. But how can I eyeball it if I've never made it before? So good old TikTok always comes through. But like I said, I'll make sure to link that video down below. That way you guys can get the exact measurements and like the step-by-step process. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and pair my spaghetti with some breaded chicken. And I know it doesn't look like super duper fancy, but it's so good. And my entire family loves this. All right, so I know this little spot here isn't Pinterest worthy, but this is our closet. I share it with my husband. It's just a hot mess. There's a lot going on here. I use it as storage for some of my decorations, but I'm tired of seeing it like this and I wanted to zhuzh it up a bit. I was inspired by a picture that I saw on Pinterest and I figured that I would try and recreate it somehow, but just make it my own. I also purchased this wallpaper that is from Target. I figured I would put that on the back wall there, just to give it a little something. And I'm hoping that this inspires me to continue to fix up the rest of the closet because I wasn't able to do anything else, but I figured, baby steps.
Looking back at the good times before it all went down.
These are the tools that I used, and the wallpaper was actually pretty easy to use and super easy to like line up. I didn't put it all around the wall, but I just did this little section from the top to the bottom.
Climb right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you're my liability. Yeah, I know you're my liability.
You say that you're sorry. We turn the page and make up. A broken trust got you haunted.
I love the way this wallpaper looks here. I feel like I want to wallpaper my whole house now with it, but I'm just going to quickly add a little bit of decor here just to make it look a little bit nicer. And there you go. It looks super simple. I know it's nothing crazy, but honestly, I feel like it made such a difference. And it definitely inspired me to continue redecorating the whole top of my closet here. So hopefully I'll be able to do that soon. So I'm quickly just showing you guys a little overview of the kitchen and showing you how it looks now with the new blinds. Honestly, I feel that it elevated the kitchen and it just made it look so much better. I haven't had a chance to decorate my coffee station because I'm kind of uninspired, and I think it's because we had a leak in the garage and we had to move all of my bins to one side. So I have no idea where my spring stuff is. So I just have it decorated with just normal things that I had around the house. But that's going to do it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I know it's kind of all over the place, but I have been so busy and I haven't been able to bring out like a decent video for you guys. So I'm so sorry. February is pretty busy for me because I planned my daughter's birthday because it's on March 1st. But now that we got that done and over with, hopefully I have more time to film better content. But anyhow, thanks for watching. I will talk to you guys all in the next video. God willing. Bye.